Welcome back, students. Today, as a part of our discourses, we are going to continue with our next discourse. This is also one of the major discourses. Okay, children? And this will be given in the paper one. So, you know the meaning of what do you mean by paper one. That means it will be related to the stories, that is A reading, B reading or C reading, what you read from your textbook. And today we are going to learn about drama script or play script. So maybe you might have seen some one-act play, okay, some short plays, okay, enacted by your students, by your own school students during our annual day programs. Okay, many times you might have seen from all these years you have been studying in the school. Every year when we used to celebrate our annual day celebration, we will have some in any language, maybe in Telugu or Hindi or English, a one-act play or a short play which is enacted by our own school students. So like this, what we need to do? Okay, acting is okay. But are they directly coming onto the stage and acting, ma? No. So for every activity, whatever the activity it is, okay, it may be some speech competition, it may be some conducting of competition or conducting of annual day celebrations, we need some planning, okay. Without planning, we can't do anything, okay. So this one you know. In the same way, even regarding this drama, or there is, if you want to perform a short play or a drama, okay, for that also we need some planning. Like what do you need in this? We need a title for it, okay, characters will be there, setting should be there. Just like that you can't come on to the stage and start giving the dialogues. So according to the title, according to the situation which is created in the drama, we need the settings, that is stage settings, directions to the people, how to act, what are the dialogues to be delivered by the characters. So these all are necessary for doing any drama or a play. So these are all called what? So we plan it. We write it on a paper, like a pre-written script will be written. So a literature, a part of it in detail will be written about the title, the theme of it, okay. Along with the theme, characters who are involved in the drama or the play, and along with the characters, we also need the dialogues to be delivered, okay. Along with these all details, some other details like the instructions to the characters, that is the people who are acting in this drama or the play are also given, like what they should do, how they should move, where they should sit. So certain activities will be there. So this everything should be planned. So this planning which is written on a paper, okay, it is called text form of script now. That is, it will be written on a paper. This is what called drama script or play script. Just like our choreography script. We already learned what is a choreography script. In the same way, drama script or play script now. And so till now you heard some words which I used, like title I told, theme I told. Theme means the plot of the drama, okay. Characters involved in it, the setting, that is the stage settings or the scenes which are to be enacted by the characters. These are all will be mentioned in the script. Along with that, mainly I told we need a plot, I told, that is a theme. So generally theme sometimes it is only a comedy, based on a comedy, something to make you laugh, okay, by watching the people who are acting. And sometimes a concept or a moral is produced, okay. A moral is shown to us in the form of this acting done by this, that is the short play or what they act, okay. And in some cases there will be a conflict which is created. First the theme is introduced, then a conflict, a problem is created, then afterwards how to solve the problem is also, that is the resolution is also shown at the end of the play. Like this, these are different types of plays which we can enact, okay, up to your stage. So coming to the senior stages, it will change again, but you may take like a classroom situation, you may take, or a discussion between a teacher and a student, or in a classroom discussion between students and teachers. And at home, even a discussion, a drama can be enacted using the situation between the parents and the children or siblings, like your brothers and sisters. So it is nothing but a there is one act play or a short play, like 2 or 3 scenes. One act play means only one scene will be there, okay, only one stage setting, with that it will be finished within a few minutes time. And it is very short, but sometimes 2 or 3 settings will be there, 2 or 3 scenes will be there. So like this drama script we are going to learn today. So first you see what are the things which are to be included in the drama script, okay, a written form, a text form of literature for, a pre-planned text form of literature for drama script or a play script. Then later on what I am going to do is, I will just give you one example, just a short one, okay, a drama. Then based on that you will get an idea how to write a drama script or a play script. Now I will start, children. So today's our topic is drama script or play script. Generally, a play is written as a script, a text version of planned dialogues. Okay, it includes the title, stage settings, characters and their dialogues It also includes the stage directions, like instructions about the positioning or movement of characters. Is it okay, children? Now we will see the layout or the things to be followed while writing a drama script or play script. Layout or components of the script. Which script it is? Drama script or play script. So first thing what I told ma, first we need title. Okay, a name should be given to the drama or the play. Next, characters. Next, we need scene settings or stage settings. Next, we need a plot. Plot or other name for it is called theme. We need a theme for the drama. Next, finally, what we need after setting all these things, we need the dialogues related to it. Dialogues related to it. Okay. Generally, what else I told ma? It includes a plot, a play or a drama. First, introduction will be given. Introduction related to the theme will be given. Later on, a conflict will be shown. Then the resolution for the introduction, conflict, then the resolution for the conflict. That is, final solution for the conflict is shown at the end of the play. Like this, these things you should remember while writing a drama script or a play script. Now I am going to give you an example for drama script. Listen carefully, then I will also display the chart what I have written. Carefully note down the points and remember while trying to write one more script for your exam. Okay, children? See here ma, I am just reading out about what I have written. Drama script or play script. So the incident based on which the drama script is written is the incident between Socrates and the young man from the lesson. Every success story is also a story of great failures. So this is a part of your textbook I took. So I need to take either from your 8th, 9th or 10th. So I have taken this lesson from your 10th class. Okay. Write a script for the short play based on the above incident. You may include the following details. So what you should do ma, you should write the question will be given like this. Sometimes the incident also will be given, just a short, brief description about the incident will be given. Later on they will ask you to write a drama script based on the incident given. So like that these points are given as a question in your public examination. See, write a script for the short play based on the above incident. You may include the following details. The young man asking Socrates the secret to success. Socrates asking the young man to meet him the next morning near the river. Socrates pushing him under water and the young man gasping for air. Socrates telling the young man that when he wanted success as badly as he would get it. Okay, as badly as A, he would get it. So this is the way which is planned to produce the drama script. Now we will get into the drama script. Mainly what you should have title I told first. What can be the title? The Secret to Success. Scene setting. Scene where it will take place, the person, the young man whoever is asking the question, he will be coming to Socrates' house. Okay. Then Socrates asks the boy to come to the near the river. So these two will be the settings. So Socrates' house and the river. Okay. Now characters means Socrates and a young man. So first scene setting is Socrates is sitting in his room. So the young man approaches Socrates and says, "Good morning, sir." Socrates says, "Good morning, what can I do for you?" "I have been waiting for success for a long time, sir, but I have not been successful in any of my attempts. I badly need the success. Could you please tell me the secret to success, sir?" "Okay, I will tell you tomorrow. Come and meet me near the river tomorrow." Exit the young man. Now the young man came and he went away. Next day he was asked by Socrates to meet him near the river. The young man meets Socrates the next day. This is the next scene now. Okay, you can see the stage setting, what it is written, how it is a stage described. Now the young man says, "Hello sir, good morning. I am late by 10 minutes. Please forgive me." Socrates says, "It's alright, come here." "May I know the secret to success, sir?" "I am very eager to know about it." "That's why I am here. Come along with me into the river," Socrates says. Then what happened in the next scene? Socrates walks into the river and the young man follows him. They walk into the river till the water gets up to their neck. Then the young man asks, "Now tell me the secret to success, sir." "Okay, come near." The young man goes closer to Socrates. He takes the young man by surprise and ducks him into the water. "Ah, I am going to die, sir. Please leave me." The boy struggles to get out, but Socrates is strong and keeps him there until the boy starts turning blue. Then Socrates pulls his head out of water and the young man takes a deep breath of air. Now Socrates asks, "What did you want the most when you were there in water?" "Air, sir," he says. That is the secret to success. When you want success as badly as you wanted the air, then you will get it. There is no other secret. The boy says, "Thank you, sir." Then what is the suggestion Socrates gives? The moral it is given here. A burning desire is the starting point of all accomplishment. So you must have that kind of desire. A weak desire can't produce great results. "Okay, sir, thank you once again for your valuable piece of advice, sir. It's alright." So this is the scene which was produced. Okay, you can understand the theme it is. So a boy approaching Socrates, asking to say about the secret to success because Socrates was successful. Then Socrates asked the boy to come near the river and meet him. Then after approaching there, you have seen what is the scene which took place. So this is what a plot is introduced by the person asking about the secret. Then ducking the boy into water is the conflict there. That is the trying to give the explanation for what is the reason for success. Then finally he gave a conclusion for us saying that how can you succeed? What will make you actually successful in your life? Okay, like a strong desire will always be helping you to be successful, not a weak desire. This is a theme which is actually produced to us through this, that is which is given to us through this drama script. So I hope you all understood. Just I will show you how the script is written once. Okay. So it will be clear for you what it is about. Just go through it. See the headings are there. See. First drama script, the question is given. Then the heading script for the story play. Title, The Secret to Success. Okay. Next stage, that is scene settings or stage settings. Socrates' house at the river. Then characters are only two people here, like Socrates and young man. And whatever is given in the brackets, are you able to see something written in green here? This is what called the scene settings or the stage setting there. So this indicates what is the scene going on, where it is going on. And the other part you can see the dialogues between two people. Is it clear, children? Now see the next part. See here, ma. So it is very clear what is going on in the script. Is it clear, children? I hope you all understood. So try to attempt writing a small scene. Just I'll give you a short question, very simple one. Try to write a drama script and send it to me. I'll check it. Okay, children? that is assignment. Okay. Imagine that your teacher gave you an assignment, that is some homework in the form of a project or something. Okay, she gave you an assignment. You could not complete it. You could not complete it. Next day, in the classroom, you need to face your teacher. You need to answer your teacher. So naturally there will be a discussion, there is a conversation which is going on. This is also a kind of situation where a short play can be produced, a script can be written. So imagine that you are the student and there is a conversation between your teacher and yourself for not completing your homework. Very short, I told you, it is very simple also I told. Try to write it with few dialogues, just 4 to 5 dialogues are enough for this. Okay na? Characters you should write, setting you should write, title you should write, and also the dialogues. Complete it and send it to me. I will see whether you are able to understand clearly or not. That's all, children.